Why do we crave a junk food when you are stressed and how to stop? So we have all been into that phase, okay, so that we crave a lot. We are full, but still our body craves a lot, okay. I identified my situation that it was a stress. Okay, guys, so I was finding no motivation, no confidence, so I thought let's read it. So I did a little bit of research, small research. Okay, if you want me to do a little bit big research, my head is gonna be paining, but I will be doing for you. Okay, if you have motivation, you need to take action into it. This video is gonna be very smaller. I'm not gonna take your time. Okay, it's gonna be 1 to 5 minutes, not more than that. 10 p.m. and you had a food and you are still hungry. It happens with me. Okay, that time because I think if anything I'm gonna try. Okay, and it's gonna satisfy my brain. So I look at chips. There's a chips, not chips also, but there is some biscuits that we can have it. But we are into the basically into that craving zone. We had a lunch, a dinner also during that time. So why we want basically why it's craving, why we need food to satisfy our brain point. Okay, but I'm gonna argue more into it. I'm gonna add more context into this. You are thinking that your food is gonna fix your brain, but you are totally wrong. Even I thought that my food can fix the brain. No, it cannot fix your brain. So if you are telling me how much percentage, it can just basically satisfy your brain by 50 percentage. So we need to know the science behind the cravings. Knowing the science behind craving is very important. I'm gonna give you one question that is gonna change everything. What I'm really hungry for. Suiting condition with the food. We have a good condition with food, and that is being known as universal thing. So that is being labeled as an universal thing, universal condition, universal habits. We have a comfort zone when it comes to food, scrolling, and basically we have a good and comfort relationship with food. So food and comforts are connected to each other. So what is there is an oxytocin bonding hormones tie food, comfort, and basically your love into the brain. So I have one fact, okay. So there is often basically there is a history and biology behind it, okay. So studies from Dutch feminine shows 19040s show how scarcity can switch on genes and it can increase obesity basically in next generation. You know what? Trauma, scarcity, and comfort zone shapes our eating habits, shapes how our body responds to it when it comes to eating. Basically, you need to identify it, you need to figure it out, you need to acknowledge the tension. That's very important. Name it. I'm anxious, I'm lonely, 5 slow breaths to switch off fights and fights. So nutrition isn't just a place. Next time you feel craving, ask them that why I'm feeling craving. What do I actually need it? If you ever followed this, please tell me in the comment section. I would love to make more videos related to how to satisfy your craving point. If this helped, please like, share and subscribe.